to cooking with Susie and Nina.
So today we're going to be making some plov. It's a
classic Ukrainian dish. Here are all the ingredients you need to make this plov. 2 cups of white rice, rinsed well and drained. 2 large chicken breasts. 2.5 cups of water. 1/4 cup of ketchup. 2 carrots. 1 small onion. 2 tablespoons of butter. A teaspoon of paprika. Teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
So first we're gonna have to grate the carrots.
So while Susie's grating the carrot, I'm going to dice this onion into very, very, very small pieces.
So me and Nina switched because she said she can't do the onions, which was fine. So one tip I do is sunglasses. It works.
Now that we've diced the onion and grated the carrot, we put them all into one bowl. Okay.
So now we're going to be cutting up the chicken breasts. So we're doing 2 chicken breasts.
So now you're just cutting the chicken into 1-inch pieces. So here's all of our chicken chopped up. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. And I'm going to add the chicken pieces to the skillet. You want to saute the onions for about 3 minutes. Add the grated carrots to the skillet and saute for 2 more minutes. Cooking up the storm. Add 2 tablespoons of the butter and mix it together. Now add the ketchup and mix everything together. Once the butter melts, add the rinsed rice to the skillet. Now let it sit and cook for 10 minutes. So after it boils, you want to turn it down to about 2 or low heat.
Hey guys, so now that we're done, the plov is ready. If you want to see. Now we're gonna taste test and just like flavor it. So this is my final product. That smells so good. Okay, ready? It's so good.
It's really good actually.
I love plov. Wow, it's better than my mom makes. Okay. We forgot to end it, so
Guys, thanks for coming along with us on this journey. Thanks for watching our first cooking video. I hope it wasn't too confusing.
hit the subscribe button.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like the like, just like it, just a like, you know, just give us a like. And to do good in this world, subscribing. Have to do good.
Yeah, we have to impress Mr. P.
Mr. P.
It's really good. Be jealous.
Make it.
It's really good.
If you guys want this recipe, I'm gonna just type it all up and it'll be in the description below. Yeah, description.
Now we're gonna go with this. Bye. Okay, let's go. Come on. Wow. Okay, this is like right right now. Mom, don't, Mom.
Camera.
I'm going to start recording.
You wanna talk about it or just you just talk about it?
Talk right now. Come on.
Okay. It's like a heart. It's so cute.
Oh, don't forget to wash your hand. Just take off any excess.
Wait, is this still recording? Oh. Okay, so we're gonna show you what we're gonna make.
All the ingredients are whatever.
It's me. I'll cut it out.
Yeah.
First, we're gonna show.
Here, cayenne pepper and steak seasoning. What? Did I say steak? Is that? But what is that?
It's black pepper.
Oh.
Black pepper, cayenne
Oh,
pepper.
paprika. Okay. No, what is it?
No, you make it up like this. No. It's straight up. Straight up. No.
Let me straight up.
Like this. Like that.
Oh.
Next step is to grind the carrots. So.
Wait.
Over the toast. Leah, come on, work. You're always just sitting on your
waiting
phone.
for the rice to cook.
Okay, yeah, you are. Go clean. I'm not cleaning anymore. It's not funny. I'm more work than you. It's so annoying.
I'm mixing the rice, okay?
She's so annoying. She never does anything. She literally sits there on her phone. She's so annoying.
What?
We're just kidding. We got you. You got a break.
Okay. Okay.
No!
What?
So now you're gonna taste this. Like, so now we're gonna taste this. This is not switch off.
It's here.
Okay, so we're back.
And we're not?
No. We're talking over everything.
Okay.